today I'm back with another video, and today's vlog is going to be, I don't really know what we're doing today, but I know I might be seeing my friend Jake. I said that in my vlog yesterday, but I didn't, so hopefully I can meet him today, and if I don't, then I'm going to think of a cool idea for you guys. And yeah, let's get started with the day. So I'm going to jump up, and as I land, I'm going to have my shoes on. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so I just got my shoes on, and now I'm going to do a spinning transition over to my trampoline. Okay guys, so I just done my spinning transition to the trampoline, and it's quite sunny today, it's really hot. And I'm on the trampoline now, and I'm with my brother, and I'm just going to wait for my mum, and then we're going to do a slow-mo edit. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay guys, so I just done that slow-mo edit as you saw, and I'm gonna take a massive risk of throwing my camera to my brother. You ready, Oak?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Oh my foot! That hit my foot, guys. Oh, I'm really hurt. It's your turn.
That didn't hurt.
No,
That much. Because I didn't jump higher than Jimmy. Now let me just jump as high as I can.
Alright, go on then. So we're in Asda shopping centre now. And there's the Halloween aisle. We're just going to look around, and then I'll show you guys what we brought when we get out the shop. We just got out of Asda, we're in the car now, and I got these, they're like roasted, salted, sweet corn, and they might sound disgusting, but they're called corn nuts. They're so nice, literally, they're really nice. And yeah, I'm just gonna eat my corn nuts, and then I'll see you guys in the next. So we're going to do a few skateboard tricks, and then I'm going to charge my phone because it has like 4%. Let's go.
Okay. You go first.
We've made a ramp. One go for me. I just fell over, by the way, and grazed my back and my leg. My go. You ready? 3, 2, 1. That would have worked! Okay guys, that was just 2 tricks, and I'm going to charge my phone, and then I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so I can't really see the camera very well because of the sun, but if you can see, I'm soaked, and I think me and my brother are going to do a challenge. So basically, my stepdad, Leon, you have that thing, don't you? That mop with water coming out of it. And on our skateboards, we're going to come down here and then we're just gonna get soaked going through the car wash, and then I'm gonna set the camera up, and then I'll see you guys in a minute. 3, 2, 1. Here comes our first contestant. No, it's gonna be my turn. I'm just gonna go up there, and then my brother's gonna press contestant. We got him good. Jimmy told me he's done his 2 rounds first, then I'll do my 2 rounds. First round, I'm gonna spray him. So, Dad, pass it. Okay, I'm gonna spray my brother. Awesome. 1, go. Yay! That was Jimmy! Second round of Jimmy's second, guys. Here he comes. Now we got him. My brother now. 3, 2, 1, go. He's coming. Wait. Come on. Okay, I got it. Guys, so I'm drenched. You can hear it. My hair's wet. So I'm just gonna change quickly. Ready? 1 second change. 3, 2, okay guys. Got my top, my shorts, and I'm ready to go in 1 second. Okay, now I just got changed, and in a minute with my stepdad we're gonna do, well, me and my brother, maybe my sister, maybe my mum, we're gonna do a Star Wars Q&A because they're obsessed with Star Wars. I like Star Wars too, personally, and we're just gonna do a Q&A on it, and apparently if you get it wrong or something you get sprayed, but I'm not gonna get sprayed here. I'm just gonna ask him to spray my head, and that's the reason why I haven't showered. So yeah, see you in a minute. So we've just been baking. We've made some cupcakes, and my one is like that. I've got 2, and I'm going to make my other one in a minute. But there's this gold pen, and I just squirted it because it wasn't coming out. So I just squeezed it as hard as I could. And now, if you can see, it's gone all the way up the windows, all the way along there, and you can still see it on my forehead, on my face. This stupid pen. Okay, so I'm gonna, that tickles, Mum. I'm just gonna do me biting it, a taste test.
No, Jimmy! Jimmy's tasting one.
Oh, you shouldn't really.
Oh.
We're doing them after dinner.
No, actually, Jimmy needs to have his now.
3, 2,
Why?
Because he can't have it late. Because he won't sleep.
Yeah, very nice.
No, I just said so myself.
That looks very nice.
Moving these bits over here to Lily. Because
Very nice. Now. Yeah, guys, I just realised we're also going to be doing conkers later. But this is actually quite heavy. And if you don't know what they are, they're basically these really hard things, and you tie one on a piece of string and it's the first one to crack. So this is the end of my video. We're not going to do conkers because it's getting a bit late, but hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. And he's mad. See you in the next video. Bye.